Want to spread love before guests even step inside your home? Looking for beautiful outdoor Valentine decorations ideas that instantly make your house feel festive? Searching for charming Valentine porch decor ideas or creative front porch Valentine decorations ideas that stand out in your neighborhood? Or maybe you want easy, DIY-friendly Valentine's Day outdoor decorations ideas to celebrate love and style. Stay right here, because today we're sharing 15 adorable and easy outdoor Valentine decorating ideas to turn your porch and yard into a love-filled celebration. Welcome back to Decor Design Ideas. Today we're sharing beautiful outdoor Valentine decorations ideas and Valentine's Day outdoor decorations ideas that are perfect for porches, yards, and front entryways. Whether you love classic red and pink, soft romantic neutrals, or easy DIY decor, this video is full of inspiration to decorate your outdoor space with love. Why decorate outdoor spaces for Valentine's Day? Outdoor decor sets the mood and spreads joy beyond your home. These outdoor Valentine decorations ideas create a warm, welcoming first impression. What are the most popular Valentine's Day outdoor decorations ideas? Wreaths, porch signs, heart garlands, and lanterns are favorites. These Valentine's Day outdoor decorations ideas are simple but impactful. If you love seasonal porch decor, hit like and share this video with someone who loves Valentine's Day. How do I decorate a porch for Valentine's Day? Start with a wreath, add pillows or signs, and layer with lanterns. These Valentine porch decor ideas instantly create a cozy, romantic vibe. What are the best Valentine's Day porch decor ideas for small porches? Focus on vertical decor like door wreaths and hanging signs. These Valentine's Day porch decor ideas maximize charm without crowding. Do you decorate big for Valentine's Day or keep it simple? Tell me below. What outdoor Valentine decor ideas work for front yards? Yard stakes, light-up hearts, and simple signage work well. These outdoor Valentine decor ideas are eye-catching, yet easy to install. What Valentine yard decorations ideas are family-friendly? Smiling hearts, sweet messages, and soft colors are perfect. These Valentine yard decorations ideas feel cheerful and welcoming for all ages. For more seasonal outdoor decorating ideas, check the playlist linked in the description. How can I create DIY outdoor Valentine decorations ideas? Use wood signs, painted planters, and handmade garlands. These DIY outdoor Valentine decorations ideas are budget-friendly and personal. What Valentine's Day porch decorations ideas work on a budget? Reuse planters, DIY wreaths, and shop dollar decor. These Valentine's Day porch decorations ideas prove you don't need to overspend. Love easy decorating ideas? Subscribe for weekly seasonal decor inspiration. What outdoor Valentine's decorations ideas work after winter holidays? Soft pinks, reds, and neutrals pair beautifully with winter greenery. These outdoor Valentine's decorations ideas transition smoothly from winter decor. How can lighting enhance outdoor Valentine decorations? String lights, lanterns, and LED candles add romance. These Valentine's Day outdoor decorations ideas feel magical at night. For more porch and yard decor inspiration, check the related videos below. What front porch Valentine decorations ideas are trending? Layered doormats, bold wreaths, and themed signs are popular. These front porch Valentine decorations ideas feel modern and festive. How do I keep outdoor Valentine decor weather-friendly? Use weather-resistant signs, faux florals, and secured decor. These outdoor Valentine decorations ideas last throughout the season. What Valentine's Day porch ideas work for apartments? Door wreaths, balcony signs, and small planters are perfect. These Valentine's Day porch ideas work beautifully in small spaces. How can I make outdoor Valentine decor feel elegant instead of cheesy? Stick to neutral tones, minimal hearts, and soft lighting. These outdoor Valentine decor ideas feel classy and timeless. What's the easiest way to decorate outdoors for Valentine's Day? a wreath, sign, and lanterns. Even simple outdoor Valentine decorations ideas make a big impact. And that's it! 15 outdoor Valentine decorations ideas to help you celebrate love right from your porch and yard. From DIY signs and wreaths to charming yard decor and cozy lighting, Valentine's Day decorating is all about warmth and joy. Whether you love bold red hearts or soft romantic touches, these Valentine's Day outdoor decorations ideas help your home feel festive and welcoming all season long. How do you decorate for Valentine's Day? Porch, yard, or door only? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more seasonal decorating inspiration. Happy Valentine's Day!